In the animal kingdom, communication is vital for survival, especially when it comes to signaling distress or danger. Animals use a variety of methods to convey urgent messages to their kin, and understanding these can provide us with fascinating insights into their complex social structures and behavior. Vocalizations are one of the most direct ways animals communicate peril. Many species have specific calls that are used exclusively for alerting others about threats. For example, vervet monkeys have distinct alarm calls for different predators, one for eagles, another for snakes, and a third for leopards. Each call prompts a different response. For the eagle alarm, monkeys will seek shelter. For the snake alarm, they look down and become vigilant. And for the leopard alarm, they climb to the safety of tree branches. Birds are also well known for their distress calls. When a bird spots a predator, it may produce a loud, shrill chirp that notifies other birds of the danger. This can result in a mobbing behavior where numerous birds join forces to hassle or drive the predator away. Notably, these alarm calls can be so specific that they sometimes differentiate between ground and aerial predators, prompting varying responses from the flock. Chemical signals, or pheromones, are another way animals convey distress. Ants, for instance, release pheromone signals when crushed by a predator. These signals trigger an aggressive response from nearby ants, causing them to attack the threat or carry their dead away from the path. Body language plays an instrumental role as well. White-tailed deer, when alarmed, will raise their tails to reveal a white underside, signaling danger to other deer. The posture and movements of animals can also be a silent signal. For example, a squirrel may freeze and flatten its body against a tree trunk when a predator is nearby, signaling others to remain silent and still. Furthermore, some animals have evolved to use mimicry as a way to communicate danger. Certain species of butterflies, like the Heliconius spp, can mimic the color patterns of other distasteful or poisonous butterflies to warn predators. The would-be predator, having experienced or been taught to avoid such patterns, will bypass the mimicking butterfly, thus ensuring its safety. Species-specific traits enable different levels of complexity in distress communication. Elephants, for instance, use a combination of vocalizations and seismic signals, vibrations through the ground, to communicate over long distances, potentially warning other herds of poachers or predators that are miles away. In aquatic environments, signals of distress are also prevalent. For example, fish can release substances into the water when attacked, which serves as an alarm signal to other fish, prompting them to swim away or hide. Even though the methods vary greatly across species, what remains consistent is the necessity for these communications in the preservation of life. Whether through sound, chemistry, visual cues, or vibrations, each method is an evolved solution to the common problem of survival, demonstrating the rich tapestry of life and the intricacies of animal behavior. This fascinating facet of natural history not only enriches our understanding of the animal world, but also underscores the importance of preserving these complex modes of communication through efforts in conservation and habitat protection.